In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create contact groups in Gmail. If you've ever found yourself typing the same list of addresses over and over, creating a contact group will save you time and reduce mistakes. Google calls these groups labels, and they work like tags you can apply to multiple contacts so you can reach everyone at once. Start by opening Gmail. Look to the right-hand sidebar for the contacts icon. It looks like the silhouette of a person. Click that. A compact contacts panel will slide out. To give yourself more space and all the available options, head to the top of that panel and click the icon with the arrow pointing toward the upper right corner. That's the Open in a New Tab button. It takes you to the full Google Contacts page, which is the best place to manage groups because it offers the complete set of tools and a clearer view of your contacts. On the left side of Google Contacts, find the section labeled Labels. This is where your groups live. Click the plus sign next to Labels to create a new one. You'll be prompted to name your group. Choose something short and descriptive so you'll recognize it instantly later. Think Project Team, Family, or Monthly Clients. After you confirm, your new label will appear in the list under Labels, ready to use. Now that your label exists, you can add people to it. From your contacts list, decide who belongs in this group and apply the label to them. You can add as many contacts as you need and remove them later if things change. This flexibility makes labels perfect for teams, classes, events, or any group that evolves over time. If you maintain separate categories, consider using clear naming conventions so you don't confuse similar groups. And remember, adding someone to a label doesn't change their contact information. It simply organizes them so you can reach them more efficiently. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't immediately see labels on the left, scroll a bit. Sometimes it's just further down the menu. Interface details can vary slightly depending on updates, but the labels area and the plus sign are consistent and easy to spot. You can always revisit your labels to rename them or keep them tidy as your needs change. Once your label is populated, you'll be able to manage your communication with that group much more smoothly. And that's it. You went from Gmail, opened contacts in a full tab, created a label, and you're ready to add people to it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the time you'll save with organized contact groups.